Hi there, I'm Stacey with WTI. What do you think could be the funniest thing that you could buy for a friend? It's these chicken leg socks, and they're from the TheFound store. I have a friend that knew I needed a good laugh, and so he sent these to me. So I thought it was worth recommending because I thought they were hilarious. They are full length, and I'm about 5'4". They go over my knee, so if you're a little taller, they might be a little bit shorter. They're a thick fabric, well made, not thinning out at all. And you can see each one has the purple claw, it has the black with the yellowish claw, it's like a mustardy color. And then I really like the gray that has that same yellow color with the gray detailing on the top. And these have a white detailing, these have the gray detailing. So they definitely intermingle. They're a super funny gift. I think they would be hilarious just to wear around the house during the winter when your legs feel cold, or just to send a friend to give them a good laugh. And you might hear them making chicken noises next time that they're calling you. And that's my point of view.